At the Panda Research Institute, we embrace our heritage. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought this. It's a head cover. This is not a real panda, despite the fact that it looks very realistic. It's a plush panda. Look at that. And as you know, that's the name of the shop around these parts. I picked this up because it is a golf head cover, and I have golf clubs right here. And I was getting tired of this standard head cover, and I thought I would check this out. It's actually by a company called Daphne. I like the name Daphne. It's like Daphne Moon, Jane Leaves, the hot healthcare worker from Frasier. As you can see here, this thing is very big, and it's like a stuffed animal. It's awesome. It's pretty high quality. It's not just kind of your standard like cartoonish panda cover. You can see the black goes all the way around here. Little floppy hands. The other thing is it's really big, so even the large drivers here, 460cc drivers, maybe even bigger, should have no problem going in there. And we have, I think, this synthetic fur interior lining should keep your golf clubs in very, very nice shape. But look how big this thing is. All right, let's get rid of this piece of junk. These head covers are not easy to get on and off either. All right, let's see if this one's any easier. Putting this over the driver initially is really easy because the opening here is actually so much bigger. Now, right around this black band inside here, there's an elastic band. So it's kind of cinching the head cover around the club. So once you get it past the head here, it's actually not going to come off, which is nice. So despite how big this is and maybe blows off or flops off, it's not going to because of that elastic right in there. But as you can see, because my driver's so big, it kind of flattens out the head. Oh, hey there, buddy. But that looks pretty good, man. And now I got a giant panda sticking out of my bag and one swing in the clubs. Hey, if you want to pick this guy up, he's not inexpensive. I think like 26 bucks, but man, it's like a stuffed animal. So super high quality. I'll put a link to him in the description. Peter Von Panda out.